Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you want to see how I prepare this Jamaican jerk chicken, guys, come along and let's make some Jamaican jerk chicken. It is so flavorful. Guys, it tastes so good. Big up on yourself, guys. What I have here, guys, is some chicken thigh. I washed them off already in some vinegar and lemon water. Yes, guys. So what I'm putting on it now is some olive oil. You can use any oil you want. What I'm adding to my chicken thigh is some jerk marinade season. Of jerk marinade season. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of the jerk seasoning. And this is mild and it's very hot. Just gonna put this amount in there. Next, I'm gonna add some black pepper. Gonna add some browning for color. Not gonna add a lot. I don't want it to be black. Just want it to have a nice jerk chicken look. Here I have some garlic, ginger, and pimento seasoning. And I have some jerk season here. And you have to season your chicken well for it to taste good. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put this. What I'm putting in now is some all-purpose seasoning. So what I'm doing now, guys, I'm just gonna rub up my chicken. Combine all the seasoning now together. I love this color. I'm loving this color, guys. Loving this color. Just making sure inside the part that I cut actually gets seasoned also. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put this to marinate for just half an hour. Just gonna rest it in the fridge, and then I'm just gonna take it out and start my oven baked jerk chicken. You want to keep on the skin because the skin keep it moist when it's in the oven. Okay. Yeah, I'm loving this color. So this is how it looks so far. Just gonna wrap it now and put it in the fridge for just half an hour. So guys, this is my baking tray. What I'm gonna do now, I just wrap it with some file paper. And what I'm gonna do first, before I put the jerk chicken on it, I'm gonna grease it. Just gonna use my thing here and just spread all over. So you see this moisture? Just gonna put it on my chicken. So remember, guys, I'm gonna let this bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes, but when it reaches halfway, you're gonna take it out and just turn them over and put some of the moisture on the top of the other side. Okay, guys? So guys, this is half an hour later and you see how much juice the chicken spring. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just turning over the chicken and then I'm gonna put all of this moisture back on the chicken. Okay, guys? So I'm just gonna put it back in the oven now. This is how it look. Yes guys, this is all my jerk chicken look, my oven baked jerk chicken, and this is the thigh part of the chicken. What I'm gonna do next, guys, is gonna chop it up and show you how inside look, and show you how them do it, how we do it in Jamaica. Okay guys, you see, they don't look dry, them look so moist same way. Yeah, 1 hour and 20 minutes over bake jerk chicken. Yes guys, this is the finished look of my Jamaican oven bake jerk chicken. You see inside guys, it really soak, it really get a nice bake. It's not raw, you don't see no blood. Guys, I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. There I have piece of scallion. Guys, it is so good, it is so tasty, it is so flavorful guys. Trust me. We know if you want your chicken to taste good, you have to really season it for it to taste really good guys. So guys, I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. Guys, big up on yourself and thank you so much for watching. Guys, I really appreciate you guys. If you really love this video, you like what I did, you like how I make this jerk chicken over bake, guys, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe guys, and be a part of Crave Arm Wife community guys. Big up on yourself guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye and enjoy.